guys, welcome back to the all-new episode of Conflict. Today we are here with my son Hamza. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we have a surprise package sent by Hasbro. This year's regarding the all-new Transformers War of Cybertron Trilogy coming out, I think, later this summer. And this year is in collaboration with the 25th anniversary of Beast Wars. Now, I myself grew up watching Transformers, and I'm actually having Hamza watch Transformers too, right, Hamza?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he loves robots, especially Optimus Prime. That's his favorite.
Yeah.
Alright, and this year's actually a really cool box, so we have no idea what it's about. It's actually a surprise box, and this is more for the hype of the War of Cybertron Trilogy. So this here is our cool box, so it shows Optimus Prime, and then you have some of the Beast War characters in the background. So as we kind of move it about, it just kind of shows us, looks like alien language. I think this is from the Transformers movie.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool, and yeah, I'm not sure what's in here. Okay, let's go. Ready? Open it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! So over here, what is this? We have, is this like a comic book? That's cool. So this here is a comic book of Transformers. Look at that. And it looks like it's a new cartoon version of Transformers. So you have a variety of different Transformer characters, and it actually looks really exciting. All right, so we have ourselves, it looks like a poster.
And this is a poster.
So this year's cool. So this year shows Optimus Prime.
This is that cool.
That is cool. Oh, we have more pictures. Look at this. These are all cool cover arts from the actual TV series. We have a spaceship. And then we have a few other art pieces. These are all cool looking artworks. And then in here we have, oh, cool. So we have these Transformers. Here is Air Razor. So this year's regarding like the Beast Wars character. So it transforms from a hawk into this character. So this is really cool. So this here is Air Razor.
Yeah.
Alright, Hamza already has his eye on this one here. Whoa, look, it's a car. So this one here is called Deep Cover. So this one converts into a racing car.
A big car.
Oh yeah, so this is by the Takara Tommy character figures.
And this is our child.
So that is actually cool. Oh, look at this guy. This is a dinosaur. This is Ractonite.
And this is a dad.
So this one here is Ractonite.
Why does it?
So these are all the new characters from the Beast Wars series, as well as, whoa, this is another racing one. This one here is Sparkless Spot. It's a car.
Yeah, this is
Cool. I've never seen these Transformers before, but I'm really excited for the actual TV series. And then what is this? They gave us the season. So we have Beast Wars Transformers Season 1, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3, and Disc 4. So these here are regarding all the seasons of Beast Wars, the 25th anniversary. I actually grew up watching this show, so this is really cool to see.
What do you say?
And yeah, that is everything that's inside the box. Well, that was really cool. So Hamza, which one's your favorite?
I want the one.
Yeah, your favorite one's Deep Cover? That's actually one of my favorites too. This guy looks really cool. Alright, well there you guys have it. So these are all the different things that they sent us. And thank you once again to Hasbro for sending this over. And if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.